What's up guys, and welcome back to another video in a very long while. So here we are guys, and I'm gonna so yeah so this is clearly what the player's gonna jump on, like auxiliaries off, like bam, and shoot off. So yeah, so let's go in our event right here. I'll call this group, I'll call this spring. Okay, let's clear hope it. So let's say when when player collide with spring, we're gonna look for platform behaviors and go into option, no, go in controls and say simulate jump key press for player, and set the platform option to jump speed of player. Just say add 2000, no, 900. Let's just check on his normal jump speed here in behaviors. His normal jump speed is 600. So you're gonna create this, copy this, and just say, I'll just invert it, and say when player's not colliding with spring, the jump is set equal to 600. Yeah. So let's test it right now. So it's a very short video, guys. I guess it's gonna be. Oh, so I guess that's probably it. But first, we're gonna say, and then set the spray animation. Change the animation of spring to spring to, and let's copy this and paste and say spring 1, and it's not colliding. So let's do C. Oh man, we hardly can see it. We hardly can see it. What? I'm falling to my death. Yeah, guys. So that's how to create a spring in gdevelop. Please subscribe, like, and share. Comment on anything you guys need help with in gdevelop. Just comment it. I'll read you guys, please. And yeah, thank you. I'm out.